Alright, I just got this mattress today in the mail, and it's a mattress in a box. That's what it is. Gazelle bedding, mattress firm. Alright, I've already undone the cut the tape. This is what it looks like inside. What we need to do is drop your box on the floor, pick your box up, take the mattress out. You can disregard your box. And it's got on here, you've got to make sure you read the instructions. You've got a little cutter here. What you get, it's got caution, it's got warning, unpacking directions, shows you what you should do. You want to make sure you read that first. And what I'll do is I need to take this off, this little tool, because we're going to need that. Sit down on the couch. That was the brand of the mattress. This is what the cutter looks like. It's very basic. It's got a knife in there, as you can see on my hand, how it works. Now what we've got to do is find the end of it. So it's got a layer of plastic. It says here to use scissors. We might be able to use this instead of scissors, just to use scissors, not scissors, just use this tool just to cut that top layer off it. We don't want to cut into the mattress or anything yet, because we've got this most of that stuff on the floor. We've got cling wrap, so what I'll do is I'll just grab the cling wrap, and just be careful, because if this thing gets cracked or anything, it could explode in your face. So what I'll do is I'll just now we can see already the mattress is starting to come out. So what we need to do is we need to roll it out. So I'll just grab it from this side, bring it along. I've still got some stuff on the plastic to get off it. Just fix up the carpet first. We'll just pull it back, just like that. So this is how you do it. And at the moment, the mattress is upside down. So what we'll do is we'll just have to sit this camera down for a minute, and I'll just turn it. Alright, we've got it turned, laid it out on the floor. The only thing you have to do now is get your little tool, what we've got, the little cutter, and this one's the simple part. Just get your cutter, start at the side, just use my foot, now gonna have to get it started first. And all we have to do is we've already punctured it. What I need the other hand. All we have to do is use the cutter with your hand and just run along it. That's it. And there's your mattress, believe it or not, in a box. That's it. They just cry-vacked it and yeah, that's how they do it. Now they say in the instructions to leave it for 24 hours. I haven't got the instructions here, but that's what they say. But just be careful if you haven't unwrapped it and you end up cutting the plastic, because that thing could expand and could get some injury from it. If it is under a lot of pressure, so just make sure you read the instructions on it. And yeah, that's how it works. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, comment, and have a great day. And that's a mattress in a box, expanding in a few seconds.